Okay, welcome to the video that walks you through Challenge 6. This particular challenge is going to require a new file, so let's go ahead and open the program. Maximize it. Please notice that it has just a generic file in it. We have to get the correct file. You should know how to do this by now, but I'm going to walk you through it anyway. So go to File, Open. Now we need to go to where the files are at. So we're going to scroll down on the left, go to this PC, go to our 320 drive, go to our My Robotics folder, Student Files folder, Programming Challenges folder, and then Challenge 6, Line Tracker Claw Motor. Okay. Okay, when you get here, you'll see you have the correct file. All right, so in this particular challenge, we are going to be using the line tracker to cause a claw motor to open and close. You are going to need to get the claw motor. It is not a part of the test bed. You're going to need to go and get it from one of the bins. You can ask me about it if you need to, but you should be able to find it. And please notice over here on devices, I've added the claw motor, and it's in port 11 of the controller. And I will show you that when I do the video part. All right, so once you have the claw motor and it's plugged into port 11, we'll need to start adding the code. All right, so first things first, let's bring our comment out so that we can add that. And let's say this is, we're going to add code for a line tracker and a claw motor. All right, so on this particular challenge, the code is pretty straightforward. So let's dive right in. I'm going to go to Control. We're going to need a wait until. We're going to need an operator. We're going to need a greater than and a less than. We'll put that down there. We're going to use that a little later. We're going to need to go to Sensing and find where it talks about or it shows line tracker. Drag that out. And we're going to need to go to Motion and get a spin motor and then a stop motor. And then let's go ahead and put all this together. So first things first, we're going to need a wait until the line tracker reflectivity and percentage is greater than 50. And when it is, we're going to spin the claw motor. So we have to click on this arrow and select claw motor forward. And we are going to wait 1 second. So we need to get a wait command, wait 1 second. And then we are going to stop the claw motor. So these commands right here will open the claw motor. I'm going to show you an easy way of getting some code. Now I could just drag out the same blocks that I have right here. Instead, what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on the top block in this code and select duplicate. And this saves me a little work. I am going to need to change a couple of things though. I don't want the greater than, I want the less than, so I'll do that first. Whoops. Just drag this out of there. Put this in there. And replace it. I can get rid of that. And then I'm going to need to also tell it to spin the motor in reverse, so it goes the other way. Then I can attach it all, save it, and as you will see in a moment, I got to download it, and as you'll see in a moment, I'm going to run the code, and it'll open the claw or close the claw and then open it. It'll do either, depending on what position you start on.